What's up, guys? So I wanted to do a quick video so you guys can see the different sizes of the Lodestones that I have. I have small, medium, and large. And this is the baby one, and this one is about 1/2 inch, okay? Then I have the medium size one, and this has natural apatite and crystals embedded in it. And this one is about 3 inches, and they weigh about 1 pound. This is a female Lodestone. It's rounded around the edges, and a lot of the female ones do also have a lot of the white apatite embedded in it. This one here is a male Lodestone, and it has sharp edges. It's flatter and is pointier at the tips. And this one here is the largest one that I have, and this one is about 6 pounds. And this is the largest. You see, it's a handful. I have larger ones than this, but this is one of the ones that I have listed on the website. So just a quick video to show you guys the different sizes that I have. And this is a male Lodestone.